How's it going, YouTube? Limelight Capital here, back for another video. So yeah, I just wanted to take a break from all the GameStop and AMC craze, and I'm actually going to talk about something a little different today. So today we're going to be talking about the upcoming Coinbase IDO, and that stands for Coinbase Direct Offering. So that's basically Coinbase is going public, right? This is the company. It's there. I believe they're the biggest cryptocurrency brokerage in the U.S. Let's see here. Let's go to Google and check that out real quick because I'm pretty sure is Coinbase the biggest crypto exchange in USA. Coinbase, the largest crypto exchange in the U.S., valued at $68 billion ahead of direct listing. Yep. Okay. I was right. All right, guys. Anyway, so now we know what Coinbase is. Obviously, crypto's been taking off lately. So, I mean, even without all the information that I'm going to give you, this would be a good investment, long term, short term, whatever. It is going to be going public on the 14th of April, so it's coming up. So I have an article here on their wallet. Title of the article: The Coinbase IPO, What to Know. A major cryptocurrency exchange is going public. Here's what that means and what to know about Coinbase stock. Written on April 1st, so last week, I believe. On April 1st, 2021, the U.S. cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase announced that it anticipates its stock will begin trading on the NASDAQ stock exchange on April 14th, 2021, under the ticker COIN. That's awesome. At least they got a good ticker. That's very appropriate. The company will go public via direct listing, which is a strategy Slack and Spotify also use to sell shares directly to the public without an intermediary. Okay, so here basically, in the beginning, remember I did say an IDO, not an IPO. So an IPO is initial public offering, and then IDO is initial direct listing. So, I mean, each one of them has their benefits. The way that Coinbase is doing it basically bypasses letting hedge funds and institutions buy early. But again, Coinbase is so big that I don't really think it matters, They know what they're doing. An earlier regulatory filing indicated that nearly 114.9 million shares had been registered to trade. The filing also showed that in a private market, shares traded at a weighted average price of $343.58 during the first quarter of 2021 through March 15th, which would put the estimated total value of shares registered for trading at over $39 billion. So yeah, I mean, this is just insane. So here they were saying there was a private market. I guess they were trading some, doing like a test run of their shares and seeing what they would trade for. So, I mean, I estimated like between 3 and 350 for the initial listing. So, I mean, that's awesome. Okay, let's see. Want to buy Coinbase stock? Here's some things to consider. After Coinbase has gone public, you'll be able to buy and sell its shares on the stock market like any other company. Duh. However, what's unique about this stock is that your investment's potential success is tied to the popularity and trading volume of crypto, but you won't have to convert your USD into crypto, according to Randy Carter. So yeah, basically here what they're saying is buying Coinbase stock is essentially going to be like a snapshot of the cryptocurrency industry. So I mean, yeah, obviously if crypto does well, Coinbase will do well. So you know what I mean? It's sort of like how with like Riot, Magnite, what else? Where's some other stocks? I know there's like a Bitcoin ETF and stuff. So I mean, it's just like that. You know what I mean? Like a Bitcoin ETF. Obviously, if Bitcoin does well, it goes up. Same type of thing. Buying Coinbase stock could be a way to participate indirectly. It's like the person selling picks and shovels to the miners, but you don't have to be a prospector to make money. So yeah, I mean, aside from the good long-term potential and the great earnings of Coinbase, all that aside, I mean, this is just yet another reason to invest in this. You know what I mean? And again, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I'm just a dumb ape who eats crayons, and yeah, this is just my opinion, and yeah, so it's not financial advice. Um, According to Chris McClary, CEO of Bitcoin ATM operator CoinCloud, Coinbase's IPO could be a way for more traditional investors to gain crypto exposure without feeling like they're jumping squarely into the game. So yeah, I mean, it's great. I know a bunch of people that are still very wary of the crypto market, and you know, they're deeply invested in the stock market, but they just don't know enough about crypto to jump in. So you know, first, if you're somebody like that, buying shares of Coinbase on the 14th would be perfect for you. So I'm not going to read this whole article, but it says, so when you invest in a company, it's a vote of confidence in the company itself, but it also shows you expect the demand for its product or service to rise too. Do you believe that there's a future for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and dozens of other altcoins available to trade on Coinbase? Do you believe that cryptocurrency is the future of money that could usher in an open financial system around the world? Me, in my opinion, I believe this, so this is just a no-brainer for me. Okay, so that aside, obviously Coinbase is looking like a buy. But today we had some more information here, right? So this is literally an article from 7 hours ago. Yeah, so it's from today. Coinbase estimates quarter 1 revenue jumped ninefold. Again, ninefold to about $1.8 billion ahead of public market debut. I mean, this is just insane. I saw this article and my jaw hit the floor. I mean, this is during quarter 1 of, you know, we're still in a pandemic, guys, mind you. So to have ninefold earnings during a pandemic is just like, it's insanity. Coinbase updated investors with first quarter financials as the company prepares for its direct listing on the NASDAQ next week. The company said revenue climbed more than ninefold from a year earlier to an estimated $1.8 billion, spurred by a surge of price and spurred by a surge in price of Bitcoin. Net income climbed to between $730 million and $800 million from $32 million a year earlier. So yeah, I mean that's just that's just ridiculous. That's like almost like a 30 times increase in their profits. So okay, so here's the Coinbase CEO and founder Brian Armstrong here. Looks like Mr. Clean, low-key. In preparation for its debut on the NASDAQ next week, cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase said on Tuesday that first quarter revenue climbed about ninefold from last year, driven by a historic rally in the price of Bitcoin. Revenue in the period jumped to about $1.8 billion from $190 million the same quarter a year earlier, Coinbase said in a press release, adding that the results are preliminary and unaudited. Net income grew to between $730 million and $800 million from $31 million a year ago. Coinbase said it has 56 million verified users. So yeah, I mean, I don't even need to read through the rest of this. They did add a little chart in here, and this is showing the price of Ethereum and Bitcoin. So I mean, if you look at this chart, it's just like, you know, these are the two coins that are going to carry Coinbase. So if you can expect growth like this from the coins, it's like, I mean, there's just no way that Coinbase isn't going to, the stock price won't grow. So I'm going to open WEBULL real quick and just take a quick look at the Bitcoin price here. So let's do a weekly chart. I mean, and you can see, guys, like, come on. Look at this chart, you know? Let's look at Ethereum here. Again, very, very. Look at these two charts. They're not identical, but very close. So if we can expect anything like that from Coinbase, guys, again, you know, in my opinion, it's a no-brainer. I do usually have a rule where I don't participate in IPOs or IDOs the day they come out. I usually try to wait and let the dust settle. But this is something I'm going to be jumping on, guys, and I would highly suggest anyone else that is investing in the market to do the same. Again, none of this is financial advice, guys. I will be posting more videos and trying to diversify content. I'm going to be adding some crypto content onto this channel. Me and my buddies are also developing a channel called Coinstars, which will be up and running soon. So, yeah, guys, expect some big things. I am going to be doing some giveaways, so let's get these subscribers rolling. Let's get some comments rolling. And, yeah, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks again.